Today's video guys, unpacking na naman tayo ng ating pinamili ngayong araw. May bago kasi kaming shop guys, is called Fiesta. It's a Mexican supermarket and we love it. That's our favorite our market now to buy our stuff. So, sobrang mura po talaga guys doon. And we loved it already. And napaka-fresh yung mga seafoods nila, yung mga fruits and vegetables. So that's the reason why we go there. So this is my banana. This is my banana. And this is my lettuce. Napakamura lang ito guys. Basta $1 lang siya. Here is my fire. Marami yung ako nabili ng mga fruits and vegetables guys. Kasi yan lang naman ang pinaka-paborito kong bilhin sa shop ay vegetables at saka fruits. That's the only thing I favorite. And so, bumili ako ng mga small amount lang. Kasi maraming sari-sari ng mga fruits. So, kailangan maubos namin bago masera. So, tatlong orange. Tatlong pear din po. Dalawang limon. So, itong limon ay ginagamit po namin sa tea namin, sa tsaa. Every morning with honey and ginger. At ito naman guys is rambutan. I don't know why my husband loves rambutan. But we only bought like 1 pound and it cost only $3. This rambutan as well. That's his rambutan. Ito naman po ay yung ginger. At ito yung chili namin na parang labuyo siya. Ito po ay ang aming sweet potato. Usually, we use it for Camila's food kasi healthy din po ito. Sweet potato. Ay! Tapos yung vegetable ko guys, bumibili lang din ako na enough for 2 weeks. Kasi nasisira din po siya pag hindi mo masyado maluluto agad. So, last time bumili ako ng malaking broccoli. Parang nag-brown siya kasi hindi siya naluto. After 1 week. And sometimes I don't like to keep in the freezer kasi parang kaiba na yung taste. So, ngayon bumili ko lang ng maliit na broccoli. Saka tatlong avocado din po. Kasi hindi mo to basta-basta tatagal. Hindi basta-basta to tatagal guys yung avocado kasi mabilis lang din po siya maluto. Mag-ripe ba? Mag-soft. So kaya ano lang, tatlo-tatlo lang. Ito yung yung frozen shrimp na binili ni Harry. Saka ito ay ang kanyang corned beef for pasta. My favorite one is plantain talaga. Gusto ko siya, guys, gusto ko siya i-boil lang siya. Parang taste saba. Kasi wala kang mahanap na saba dito. So, mayroon naman pero frozen from the Philippines, but it's a bit very far away from our home. So, ito yung replacement ko sa saba. Ay yung plantain. Medyo, din siya, parang saba din po siya, pero alam mo, kakaiba pa rin. And, my favorite, cucumber. Cucumber. Gusto kong kainin ng ganito, without anything. And ito ay 50 cents lang po guys, itong red onions. Mura lang talaga siya doon guys. Sa Fiesta. Ito, malaki na po siya. Saka one of my favorite na vegetable guys is asparagus. Paborito kong yung vegetable. Asparagus. At ito naman guys is lime. This is my husband's favorite to buy is lime. Itong carrots. I love carrots and also for Camilla, for our dog. And this is very healthy. I only bought 2 big mango. 2 mango. I love mango. At ito seedless naming watermelon. Napaka-fresh ng watermelon nila dun guys. So, maririnig mo talaga yung bubong inside. Dapat green dito guys. So, tapos ito ay yellow. Yan ang fresh na watermelon. Alam niyo po guys, kung ang pinaka-interesting doon na bilhin ay yung ay yung tomato. Bumili talaga ko ng maraming tomato kasi napakamura guys. It's 59 cents lang po siya. 59 cents per pound. So kaya dinamihan ko na sa pagbili. I love tomato. So there you go. Our tomato is a lot of tomato. And this is my onions. It's very mura din po. This is peanut butter. for Camila again. This is the snacks. This is butter, mushroom, and tomato paste. And this is our favorite drink is coconut water with pulp. And ito yung pinaka-paborito namin ay baked oats. Baked oats. Sobrang laki. Kasi healthy po ito para sa baby. Stop na. And this is my squash. Watermelon. Banana chip.
We didn't buy any liver, no?
Huh?
Liver.
I have pork liver.
Oh, you have. Okay.
Brown sugar. Ito guys yung binibili namin na sugar kasi more healthy than white sugar. So, yeah, that's all. That's all we have today. And we have some meat, but it's already in the fridge, so I don't shoot with you guys.
Oh, it's kind of not nice to do that when you're outside. Maybe they knows with me when I'm going outside. Very good idea.